Do I have to, am I not boarding this plane?
No.
Why not?
The captain kicked you off, so we're leaving.
So the captain, can I ask why?
No.
Because I really have to be here. I have to go to court somewhere. 911, please go to Pensacola Airport. Send the lieutenant or sergeant. They will not call for rank and they are abusing me. Please come. Please come now.
A gate dispute becomes a felony the moment a passenger steps onto an active airport ramp. Everything that follows, the cuffs, the booking, the out-of-state warrant, flows from that single decision. The controlling law is Florida Statute Section 810.09. Subsection 2, Paragraph J, the operational area of an airport, runways, taxiways, ramps, apron zones, is off limits. Breach it with intent to impede aircraft operations, and you've committed a third-degree felony. That's up to 5 years, under Section 775.082. Federal law stacks on top. Title 49, United States Code, Section 4650 for makes interfering with a flight crew a felony carrying 20 years. And Title 14, Code of Federal Regulations. Section 121.533 gives the pilot in command the final word on who stays aboard. That authority isn't negotiable at the gate.
Okay, she called her out. She was and then I called her. And then she was was a guy sitting in the window. She sat in the middle, leaning on him.
Officer, may I ask a question?
Yeah, once we get right here.
Okay, I'm coming. No, ma'am. Oh, no, this is about my ticket. I need to know this. I need to know this.
We're getting off the plane.
I know. We're not leaving it.
The stewardess won't be able to help
Okay.
the ticket.
Okay.
So.
Hey, we're going to...
Can I ask you something?
After we get off the aircraft, absolutely.
And he just reached on the phone. And my daddy know. Everybody know though.
We'll get everything sorted out.
Huh?
So we'll get everything sorted out.
Do I have to, am I not boarding this plane?
No.
Why not?
The captain kicked you off, so we're leaving.
So the captain, can I ask why?
No.
Because I really have to be here. I have to go to court somewhere. So I'm going to have I'm going to be in trouble for missing court. So can you call your lieutenant or your sergeant, please? No, that's a problem. You need to call your lieutenant or your sergeant.
They have no say in it.
Go.
This is private property.
Okay, so let me ask, can I ask the captain why? Please? Listen, this is, if you have God, or any one of y'all got God in your heart, y'all would let me ask, because I really have to make a detective.
You have to go.
There are other people
okay?
that can help you with that. The captain is not the one to help you with that.
Well, can I use the phone right here to call my dad? Or can I use one of y'all phones?
At the top of the concourse.
Huh?
Yes, you can use the phone upstairs.
Okay.
We'll go walk off now.
That's the lady to help you right there.
Okay, ma'am, hold on. Can y'all, one thing, because we were already delayed, right? We were already delayed. Yes, ma'am, 1 second. We were delayed by the flight. Now, what they did, even the guy, just now.
You know you can catch
I
federal
need him,
charges,
but 1
right?
second. Huh?
You know you can catch federal charges, right?
I know, but
NTSA can find you literally
this is
thousands
what
of
I'm
dollars for
saying.
delaying
Captain,
the
did you
flight.
pick me off? I was given permission by the guy to use.
Let's all walk off to the jet bridge here. Let's walk off over there.
Okay.
I need
so there's no way I can board?
Well, I need
you
to
have a
talk.
problem?
Let's talk over here. I want out of the airplane. I want us to all go over there.
Okay.
Please.
Wait, you said right here.
Keep going.
Wait, Captain, can you come talk to me, please?
Right here, please. Now. Go.
Can
You're
the
going to
captain?
cut the charge.
No, the captain's right here. Can you talk to me, please?
Captain, man on here.
It's okay.
The gate is open.
It's okay. Come on, y'all.
The door is open.
No, you have to let me finish that.
Even better.
Make sure she had to take a right. Okay, they had the gate open. I don't know.
Hey, okay. She's coming to go out on the runway, y'all.
Look. Hold on. 911.
Ma'am, here, this is
Stop. Yes, please go to Pensacola Airport. Send the lieutenant or sergeant. They will not call for rank and they are abusing me. Please come. Please come now. I'm Pensacola Airport. Send help. Can I get my bags? Can I get my stuff? Look, can I please?
We're walking this way
Can I
now.
get my, sir, ma'am, can you bring me my bag back there?
They will take care of your property.
I apologize.
We go this way.
Frank, can I ask y'all something though? Can y'all stop? Let me ask y'all one thing. Please. Look. Okay.
Yes, you can. You got rebooked?
Are you serious?
We're going to jail now.
No, look. Okay, look at this. Didn't I ask? Look, can you listen to me?
No, we're done listening to you.
No,
Stop talking.
because I did ask you guys. I said, did I talk to the captain for a minute? Because I had to make it somewhere. Didn't I tell you guys that? Or ask you guys that?
No one cares where you have to get. You were kicked off the plane. That's all
Okay,
that matters.
but he said he was going to talk to me about it, right?
Then you ran away.
Huh? Listen, my thing with it is, so now I'm going to jail?
Yeah.
Yeah, a Pensacola Police is coming anyway. And it's in the sergeant of lieutenant because y'all didn't want to call for it.
Okay.
But listen, hold on. Come here. Guess what? It don't even matter. And the blood of Jesus is on me. And I thank God for everything you have did and done for me. You heard me? Thank you, Jesus. Hallelujah. Wonderful Savior. God is good, y'all. And if y'all had God in y'all heart, though, y'all would let me do, y'all wouldn't be doing this.
You'll put her in yours or not?
Whichever.
If y'all had the love of God, which was on y'all, y'all wouldn't be doing this to me. I promise.
You got anything?
Thank you, that's it. That's it.
Sit there. Have a seat, baby.
Okay.
Watch it when you get in.
All right, but can y'all let my window down first? Cause
Yeah. Yep.
So
We'll
look,
get that
he's opening it. He's opening it. I'll sit. Listen,
Okay,
I'm
go ahead
sitting.
and sit in the seat.
I'm sitting.
All right.
I'm sitting.
Okay, go much better.
I am. He's on the L. Can you crack my window for me, please?
Yep, we'll crack the window and cut the AC on for you.
Thank you.
Move
Now
your
look at
feet.
this. Are you getting my bag to bring with me?
Yep.
Okay.
You're gonna have everything with you, all right?
All right. Hey, come here.
What's up?
Now I ask you one thing.
Okay.
What's your name?
Daniel,
What's your badge number, Daniel?
144.
144. So Daniel 44, can you call a sergeant or lieutenant now? That you know you're supposed to because that's your rank and you'll get arrested.
Okay.
I mean, not arrested. Listen,
Thank
not
you for
arrested.
informing me of
I
that.
apologize. Not arrested, but in trouble. You know as a duty, that's your duty. So can you call for a ranking officer right now?
If it's anything to do with the airline,
No, it's not to do with
They
the
don't have
airlines.
anything to do with that.
I need you to call a ranking officer. I'm requesting that, please.
I can request. I don't know what the
Yes,
availability is.
please request him. He's requesting a ranking officer. Can you please do that now, sir?
Jack 1. CPD main.
You changed your radio. Requesting a ranking officer. Can you please request that ranking officer, please?
144 Pensacola, channel clear. If you haven't already, can you post a screen for a disturbance here at the airport? And we've got a
We need a ranking officer.
1015 requesting
Rank.
supervisor.
Darissa Owens, I don't have anything in the bag. It's already been checked.
Okay.
Are you Miss Owens?
Yes.
Where's your ID at?
Huh?
Where's your ID?
I don't know. I just went running.
Go ahead.
Y'all need another out there?
Requesting a ranking
Yeah, we may
officer.
need a transport.
2651.
66.
So if they ask why you want to talk to them, what are you going to tell them?
Ranking officer's going to get out and talk to me.
Okay.
Sergeant or lieutenant.
Sometimes they just want to know why.
I know, but
So-
they would get out and talk to me. She felt that it was a personal, you feel me? She just wanted to talk to a ranking officer about the law.
Okay.
Feel me?
All right.
That's all. So, I just needed to talk to rank.
Sounds good.
Can you do me a favor?
I
Can y'all do me
can
a favor?
try. I can try.
Huh?
I can try.
I need a cold drink out of the machine. Can you please get it for me? Because you know they ain't gonna let me drink it though. You know that, right? You know that, right?
Yeah, I'm not buying a drink for you.
Here, I got the money.
No, I'm not buying a drink for
You're
you.
not gonna buy the drink for me?
Nope.
Why not? Why not, sir? Why not? What did I do, sir? That was so wrong.
Well, you breached security on an airfield for one.
But how did I breach security on the airfield? Can
You ran
please
out
tell me?
onto the ramp area of the runway.
But no, the captain told me that. What you mean run out the ramp? The captain told me to step out on the ramp, didn't he? Isn't that what he said?
No, he said step out right into that little jet bridge area where we're all standing. And you said okay and took off running.
No, the jet bridge is where I was, and he asked me to get off, and I got off. You don't remember that? Y'all asked me, but am I lying? Did y'all ask me, or did y'all not ask me to get off?
For right now, until the sergeant gets here, yes.
Okay, I'm just waiting on the sergeant.
Okay.
Can you place a call for the sergeant so I'll know that?
He's on the way.
I know, but can you do it for me? I'm not sure if it's done.
It is. He's on the way.
Can I make sure that a ranking officer is coming?
He is on the way. Right now, I would be what would be considered a corporal in most ranks. I'm a training officer.
I know, but
The sergeant is on the way.
I'm asking the officer because there's been a problem. Can they call a ranking official? But
He is on the way.
I know, but I didn't hear. Please.
No, he's already on the way. I can't call him a second time. All that's going to do is aggravate him.
Okay, well, can I get something to drink or some water or anything?
Just one second. So why don't you tell me what's going on?
What's your name and badge number?
Kent 196.
Kent 196. Thank you, Mr. Kent 196. All I'm doing. Okay, this is what happened. Okay, I was doing right, and I was using somebody's phone, and nobody did. Can one of y'all call ranking officials up for me, please? That'll make me very much more.
We've already called the sergeant.
As an officer of the law, can you please do that for me?
So we've already called the sergeant. That is the highest ranking person right now.
Who called the sergeant? I didn't hear him. No, he did not. He refused to. Ask him. He'll tell you the truth.
Sergeant's on the way.
But how? When he refused to?
Was it you or was it Officer Daniels that called? Okay, Officer Daniels called.
I was going to say because he didn't call.
Yeah.
And
Because he was on the way before I was. I was just closer.
This is my thing, training officer. Is your body cam on?
Yes, ma'am. That's why the red light's on. It means it's recording.
He is too. Thank God. Probably power off. Oh God, why y'all keep looking at him like that? Why y'all keep looking? Can I request a female officer?
I'm looking at you.
Please.
Okay.
I feel uncomfortable with all these men.
Okay. We don't have a female officer working tonight. The only female officer we have is a sergeant who's on light duty. She tore her ACL, so she can't come out.
Here.
She can't.
So
She's got a torn ACL. She can't walk.
Okay.
So she's just sitting there on a computer.
Okay.
So what's going on?
Nothing. I'm just waiting on the. I'm waiting on the sergeant.
Okay.
To be here.
Okay.
You all right tonight, ma'am?
Huh?
You all right?
I was doing all right till I got kicked off the plane. And I was doing all right until the officers of the law are refusing to call a ranking official.
Okay.
With their body cams on.
So
He hasn't even ran my name yet.
just throwing this real quick for you.
Can you run my name for me, please?
We will. Just give me a second. I'll get your name from you.
No, I'm asking him to do it while he's not doing anything.
The whole sovereign citizen thing, all that's going to do is get you in more trouble.
Okay, listen, I'm not being a sovereign citizen.
So I'm just telling you, the whole
listen, I'm
calling
not
a
a
ranking
sovereign citizen.
official and all that and
Can y'all
saying
run
it
my
over
name?
and over and over.
Can you run my name for me?
Listen to me. Just listen to
Can
me.
he run my name? Y'all know how it goes. This is procedures of the law. If a police has you in the back of a police car, the least that he can do is run your name.
And how do you know he hasn't?
Huh? Because he hasn't.
How do you know?
Because he hasn't asked me my birthday. He hasn't asked me my social security number. He hasn't did any of that. How is he going to run it?
ID.
He doesn't have my ID.
You had to have an ID to board a plane. So he's got all your information.
No,
through
when my
that.
bag was dropped.
But listen to
Listen,
me.
when my bag, I'm not being sovereign.
Listen.
Okay.
That whole ranking official trying to tell us what the law is.
I'm not.
Did you go to law school here in Florida?
No,
Or
I
do you
didn't.
have a bar card?
No.
Okay. Did you go through the academy here?
No, I did not.
So how do you know any of this stuff? Why do you know our procedures?
Because
you
my brother
wouldn't
and them
if you've never done
my
it.
brother and them have been in trouble.
Okay. That doesn't mean you know the law.
I didn't say that, but I'm just asking.
That's
But
what
can
I'm
one
just
of y'all
telling
run
you.
my name, please?
It has already been done.
Can it be ran now?
It has already been run. We don't just sit there and run it over and over.
I see.
That's not the way it works.
I see.
Like I said, all you're going to do, this whole Sovereign Act, is just going to get you in more trouble. I'm just going to tell you that
What's the
right now.
trouble it's gonna get me?
Oh, you can add charges to things. No, it's because they're going to let you call at the jail.
And you say no to?
So the way, so the reason we don't do it is because we don't know what's going on. We don't know if someone's trying to set up an ambush for someone. I've got a young training officer with me. I'm making sure that we don't do anything like that. When we get to the jail, They will make sure you have his number. They will give you a phone call once they've got your fingerprints and everything in there, and you can call them and let them know exactly where you are and what's going to happen from there. Because they will explain to you how it's going to work between extraditing back to Texas and charges here. Okay?
Now this is the last thing, y'all. I know I got like 3 more questions for you that pertain to the law, but this is the question in front of everybody. Can, because they didn't want to do it, and I understand, but I'm not going to jail yet. I got money. I thought I don't care about the change. Can you go stick it in that machine for me so I can get something to drink, please? Look at my mouth.
No, ma'am, we cannot do that. Call me.
I'm not finished, but look, Sergeant, I want...
1 second, they're calling him.
Signal 4-3, take Kilo, vehicle ran into the median, blocking traffic.
10-4, we have an available officer. You can send him no matter what we not expect that.
Single vehicle into a median?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a little early in the night for that, but okay.
What does that mean?
What does what mean?
A single vehicle or vehicle?
It's a crash.
Huh?
A vehicle crash.
No, I understand it. I just don't do it. I like how you brought up my picture though, and I heard go on.
But what's the other questions you have now?
Okay. Now, is it federal? That was my first question. So I'm still on the first question.
You talking about on the plane?
No. It can't be because I didn't do nothing to anybody.
No. What was it on the plane? Are you referring to being on the plane? Yes, ma'am. It can get into some federal grounds. Certain things are federal. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what am I being charged with tonight?
The Fourth Amendment asks one question: probable cause. The Supreme Court answered it in Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, a warrantless arrest for an offense. Committed in the officer's presence is constitutional. Full stop. Officers watched her run. Case closed. Miranda applies to custodial interrogation, not to volunteered outbursts. Under Rhode Island versus Innis, everything she said on camera comes in at trial. Religious appeals, procedural demands, First Amendment speech, officers had no duty to engage and wisely didn't. The demand for a ranking officer, the badge number theater, the warning about federal charges, that sovereign citizen playbook. Federal courts have rejected it every time. A sergeant can't undo a lawful arrest, and no officer is required to conjure one on command.
We have a warrant and whatever. Does he have local charges?
Yeah, I don't have any local charges.
On what? What's the other one? I know she got a warrant.
But see, the people that the airport did not say that. I'm getting hit with extra charges. See what I'm saying?
It doesn't have to be the airport mom. But this officer right here, my partner, is letting you know what crime has been committed. Yeah. So those are. It's your warrant. It's the charges my partner also had, and my partner's right here going to transport you to the jail. Do you have any other questions, ma'am?
No, I don't. I just plead the blood of Jesus over me, and I know what the forms ain't gonna prosper. And I did. I had 2 more questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, he said that so it make it law, because I mean, you got the captain on the plane, you got the lady that told him that I didn't run off.
Okay.
So how can you just give me a charge when 3 people were accepted?
When 3 people are what, ma'am?
3 people were accepted to him.
3 were accepted to his?
Yeah. Officer.
Okay. He witnessed it.
Okay, I got. Can he move? Please, him right there.
No, he doesn't have to. He works back here, and he can be right there. Which one? You talking
No,
about my
not
partner?
No,
he
TSA.
TSA's live back here.
Okay, and then y'all got a firefighter right here. He's not even the police.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's
a police officer.
You a police?
Yes, ma'am. It's for a different uniform.
Okay. And what's your badge number? So 192?
196. I'm 196, yeah.
180.
180? 196?
179.
No, not actual badge number. Unit number.
Okay.
So we don't go by badge numbers. Our physical badge numbers will change. Like mine is 117 right now, but I'm getting a new badge, and it's going to be a different number. So my unit is 196. His unit is 230. He's brand new, so he hasn't realized that. We're not an agency that goes off of badge numbers where you keep the same number for your whole career, like NYPD or LAPD. It doesn't work that way with us. Yeah.
192, 117, all these numbers changing. That man better look.
I'm 196. He's 230.
Talk to you. like, I mean, I ain't even asked my last 2 questions yet, but I mean,
They still waiting.
okay, can you transfer me to the first transport me so I can sit in here and you can crack the window and then I can, you feel me, you can pull off here?
No, ma'am, not at the moment. He has paperwork that he needs to be completed. Once
Right,
we get that
he-
paperwork, then you will be transferred into a different vehicle and then transported, okay? All right, and what's your next question?
Can I go sit in the vehicle while you doing the paperwork?
No, no. We're going to keep you in this one right here, okay?
Okay.
It's not going to be any different.
You know, I'm trying to use the cook. So my next thing is, it's against the law, you said. Boy, I'm catching the charge because he said that.
Because he's seen it.
He was right there, is that true? He was right there, is that true?
Man, he just got here.
Yeah, we just got here. We weren't part of this.
Oh, so was that true?
We were not here.
They were not.
It was
This
two
officer. This
It was 2
officer.
officers that got me off the plane.
Are you
The other one
referring
right
to
there.
that officer right there?
Oh, it is?
Yes,
And you gone now. But, so if they lie, you say so, that's lawful? So even if they're lying, they can still charge you something?
Yes, ma'am. 150 per pound.
Remember, she's very double jointed. So when you open this door, be careful.
Right now, I'll be out, okay? Take me right with you. All right. So what I say, okay? Take step. Right, stay with me, okay? No, I'm not hurting you. We're walking over that.
Oh, in front of me, like you said, it makes it easy.
Open, I'm ready to go in, okay?
Nothing but I make it in here and get moved.
If you want to have a seat on the bench, you can. If you just want to stand there by the door, they'll be getting in a second. The paperwork through the door to them? No, we're going to come in there with you. No. Like I said, you can't do that until they give it to you. They've got to check you medically before we can do anything, okay? Just letting you know. Okay, hang tight. So, I don't know what the other officers have taught you. She's still our responsibility, so if she slips and falls and gets hurt, that's on us. So while you're in here, you always keep a hand on them because their balance is off when they're handcuffed like that. So always keep your hand on them, all right? Because if anything happens, that's on you.
Grading. Officer Kent earns an A-. Clean interviewing, on-camera tactical reasoning, textbook custodial handoff. Officer Daniel gets a B. Patient, professional, occasionally loose on his procedural answers. The subject earns a D. No physical resistance saved her from failing outright. But the ramp breach extinguished every defense she had left. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions. The takeaways. A pilot's removal decision is final. Arguing with it at the gate only makes things worse. A single step onto a ramp converts a civil complaint into a criminal and possibly federal case. Demanding a supervisor doesn't create leverage, it creates a record. And warrants travel with the fingerprints. Booking will find them every time. Owens is charged with trespassing and was held at the Escambia County Jail on a $3,000 bond jail. Records also indicate she has an outstanding hold from Denton County, Texas, stemming from a failure to appear in a 2022 case involving felony assault and harassment charges. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.